back to my channel. It is car show time. Unfortunately, we did wake up a little late. A little bit, right? We got Nurse here, what's haps? We got Rye, that's Rye over there, what's haps? Yeah, it's David Lee time. You know the legend, David Lee. Let's go see what's left. Yo, so look at this, everything's gone. That's quite unfortunate. What are we gonna do? Here comes an R8 right here. Check out that R8. It's a red one, V10. Yeah, that's a V10 right there. Look at that. That's nice. But anyways, what's left around here? Wait, what is it? Is it really actually a Tesla? Tesla, huh? We got the Rari taken off. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, everything's gone. Where is it? He's taking off. Everybody's taking off. We got this Lambo right here. What do you think about the color orange? Oh, we got the orange brakes. Oh, is that Dodge Viper right there? With a big, huge wing. Look at that. Look how massive that is. Oh man. That's rare. Dodge Viper. Yeah, so everything's like gone, pretty much gone. Let's see, check out this classic Rari right here. Yellow? Yeah, I don't know about that. Let's see what else is going on around here. Here's David Lee right there. David Lee. Oh, let's check out these. Well, I guess that's pretty much it. There's nothing else. Got David Lee in the back right there. Oh, C8. Yeah, so I guess, honestly, I guess that's it. That's all there is. Like, what else is there? You got that nice Lambo. Classic Rari, 2 Raris there. That's a Dodge Viper. That's it. That's it. That's all that's here. Look at those seats, huh? Wow. I don't know what that is. Sounds Italian. Yeah, that's the real deal. See that? That's the real deal.
Red carbon fiber.
Red carbon fiber. You ever see red carbon fiber before? Look at that. It's beautiful. There you go. That's how you do it, I guess. I think that's the best one. What do you guys think? Was that the best one right there? The red one? 812. Yeah, the one next to it, 812 convertible. You like the Pista? Yeah. Well, David Lee. It's getting pretty hot out there, so this is what we need now. Ah, yeah. Yeah. Big ups. Yo guys, so now we are on our way to Rodeo Drive. Supercar Saturday continues. Alright? You thought you saw some cars back there, but wait until you see what's happening now.
What's happening? We're in the truck.
Yeah, red trucks. Big ups, guys. Bigs ups!
Rodeo.
Hey, you guys remember who's in the back seat now?
You?
Yeah. You know what happens back here, right?
Talk to your friend. Grab my neck or something?
Yeah, something happens to your neck.
Then at the next one, turn right.
Yeah. You ready for that?
I don't know. Maybe.
Sounds like you're not pumped up for it yet.
Maybe not.
We'll try again when it's
Am I supposed to be excited?
Yeah.
I don't think that's an exciting thing.
Sheesh! What happened?
Yeah!
spot downtown LA.
Who?
There it is. You guys see it? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there she is. There she is. Got the C8 right here in front of us.
V840Y0.
Look at that.
V840.
Ooh, I'm hearing it. Oh, I'm hearing it. Yeah, this C8 needs a wing though. It needs a huge wing. For sure. Now we got a Rari in front of us. She's probably just gonna send it up this light. Yep. Guys, so what's happened? We just arrived here in Beverly Hills. And this lighting. Yo,
No mask.
No mask? Yeah, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. Is this where the bathroom is? Hold on, bathroom break. Just wait. Hold on. Hold on. Beverly Hills has the best bathrooms. They're all over the place here. Legendary, exclusive, but hold on. Okay, man, we're back. Yeah, Beverly Hills time. Well, it's Supercar Saturday, so let's spot some cars. Where are they at? What's going on here? Super packed though, super packed. I gotta say that. A lot of people. Now, where's the cars? Summer day, really feeling it. Absolutely. Still looking for those cars. Where are they at? Wow, super packed. Oh wow. Dale is popping out here. Oh my gosh, look at all this. Look at that. Boom. No supercars yet. So here at Dior, they took the little monsters off, the little creatures. Look at that, they're gone. I guess it was time, it was done with. No more. One right there. Hold on, can you guys see that? Wow, red Rari finally found something. For once, there we go. Now where's everything else? What's going on around here? Hold on, something's pulling up right here. Oh no, he took off. No, wrong way. Rodeo's right here. But seriously, really quiet with the supercars. Nothing. Absolutely nothing is going on around here. Just super packed, bunch of people, but other than that, yeah, no, that's it. There, I spot a Rari over there. You see it? There it goes. So that's two Raris, two red Raris. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Getting somewhere. Now where's everything else? Of course, we got the Gucci store. We got the lines out here. Very busy, huh?
If the lines are out at Gucci, it's a good day in Rodeo.
And Louis Vuitton. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. It's that one guy, it's that one guy. We've seen this guy before. We talked to him. Look at that McLaren. There's the Rari right there. There he goes. Is that F8? There it is. There he goes on Rodeo. C8's pulling up. Look at that. C8, C8. Yeah, I didn't hear that one. The black one we did. We sure heard that. Is that this McLaren we saw earlier? I think this might be it. Oh yeah, this is it. Well, I guess we got to see some cars. Not the most. You know, you would think it's Supercar Saturday, it would be the most ever, right? Best of the best, but unfortunately not this time. I don't know why. I don't know why. Very strange. Look at that, they got the healthy water right here. Don't mind if I do for a nice hot summer day. If I can do it with one hand. Oh, there we go, we got it. There we go, one hand, check that out. Let's give it a taste test. Oh yeah, it's expensive. Just love the fruit in it. Super healthy. But cheers. Quenches my thirst. Looks like we found the red truck. There she is. Red. Well, alright fellas. That was the vlog. Hope you guys dig it all the way.
Why are these guys still here, dude?
Yeah, these guys are still here.
Come on, go fix my muffler.
Dude, go to LA Paint and Body, man.
No. Dude, don't give him bad advice. Sheesh.
Make sure to hit that like button. Straight up. Groovy vibes all the way. Alright, we'll see you next time. Laters. Yeah.